Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the word cannot complete the save due to a file permission error. Step 1. Check folder permissions. The folder where you are trying to save the document may have restricted permissions. Right-click on the folder, select Properties, and go to the Security tab. Ensure your user account has right permissions. If not, edit the permissions to allow full control. Step 2. Update Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word and go to the Account section from the left side menu. Click Update Options, then select Update Now to check for and install any available Office updates. Wait for the update to complete. If an update is available, Word will start downloading and installing it. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the update is finished, close and reopen Word. Step 3. Repair Microsoft Office. Open the search menu, Windows Start menu, and type Apps and Features, then open it. In the search bar, type Office and select Microsoft Office from the list. Click Modify. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Choose Quick Repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. Then select Repair and wait for the process to complete. Step 4. Relaunch Microsoft Word. Once the repair process is complete, restart Microsoft Word and try saving your document again. Hopefully this resolves the issue and you can now save documents without errors.